Hey, this is Ahmed with Paint Bucket Media, and today I'm going to show you how to create stairs that work with your Unity 3D project. My first step is to start off by making the actual steps you'll see in Unity 3D. I'm going to use my modeling program Modo to make the actual steps. You can use whatever program you'd like. It really doesn't matter. It would be the same concept for anything. I'm going to start off by grabbing the cube tool right here and just drag out a simple rectangle, which will be the base of the steps. I'm just going to center that real quick by going to center selected and all. And I'm going to bevel this out using the bevel tool. I'm going to select that polygon first. Make sure you're in polygon mode. I'm going to press the B key to activate the bevel tool. I'm going to raise it up, let's say about 200 millimeters. And now I'm going to make a loop slice, which just slices this thing evenly. And I'm going to activate that tool, pressing Alt-C to activate the loop slice tool. Make sure you have these two polygons selected. And once I have that set to a count of 10 right here, make sure it's in uniform mode. You just click in your workspace and it'll create the 10 slices. Now I'm going to bevel the rest of the stairs out. I'm just going to select all these. You activate the bevel tool again by pressing B, and I'm going to shift and click to raise them up. And I'm going to set that to 200 millimeters. I'm going to repeat the process with all the other steps. Now that I've created my stairs model, I'm going to rename my mesh so I know which one I'm working with when I go into Unity. I'm just going to name that steps. And I'm going to delete these camera and directional light because we will not be needing those. And I'm going to export this as an FBX file. I'm going to go to File, Export As, and I'm in my Unity project, and I'm just in the Assets folder, and I'm going to save this as the steps. And now the next thing we have to do is create the actual slope that we will be walking on in Unity. We will do this by selecting out a square from the bottom step to the top step with the vertices. Make sure you go into vertices mode over here, and we're going to select out a square with these. I'm going to select this first vertice, second one, third one, and a fourth one. And now we're going to press the P key to create a polygon. As you can see, it made a polygon upside down. All we have to do is go into polygon mode and press the F key to flip it. Now we have our slope made. We're just going to rename our mesh right here. I'm going to name that slope. And now I'm going to export this as an FBX object also. Now we're going to go into Unity, and we're going to make sure our objects in our project panel that we just saved, we're going to make sure that we generate the colliders. Make sure that generate colliders is checked, and you're going to click apply afterwards if it's not. Just going to check if steps is collided. Make sure they're both collided, and I'm going to import the steps model. And when we go into our hierarchy tab, we can select our steps model, and you're going to go to the mesh collider in the inspector tab right here and change the mesh to our slope model. Now when we import our first person controller, we'll be able to walk onto the steps. Now when I hit play, we'll be able to walk.